everybody, this is Go-karts, motorcycles, etc. And we're coming back with another great video. And today we're going to show you what we've done to the golf cart. Don't buy on eBay cheap parts. Buy from GoPowersports.com. That way you get the right parts for the right price and you don't have to keep messing around. Alright. As y'all remember, this is the golf cart that we put the 420cc engine, Predator engine in, and it works great. Now I'm going to show you what we had to do to the engine. If my assistant over here, go over here on the side, we'll raise this up. Alright. We had to get a 40 series torque converter kit and put on here. We had to, on these golf carts, they got cushions underneath them. So this side kept giving and loosening up our chain. We put a 60-tooth chain on it. We took the go-kart axle, transmission, all that out, and put like a go-kart rear in it with a 1-inch shaft. We got the fuel pump on it and everything. It fires right up and it runs great. So this project here is done. You want to say a few words, Dad?
I'm glad it's done.
It has. It's been a long process. Alright.
Use the same brakes.
Now on the shocks back here, we swapped them around. We brought them from this side to this side and welded them in. I mean, we had to do a lot of modification to build this thing, but it all works. So for you guys out there that's still messing with golf carts, we did use the brakes that came off the golf cart.
Same brakes.
We just had to get different hubs, steel hubs, to put in there. And
spindles. New spindles.
Yeah, spindles.
Use same hubs.
Use the same hubs, so that way we kept the same brakes. Alright, let me show you the next project. Most of y'all might remember the Yellow Jacket go-kart. Well, after it took a big hit into a building, the frame was never right. So I'm just chopping it up, using it for parts. Now this is what I'm using. This is what I'm building. I took a Eliminator SS body front, put basically all the parts off of this go-kart onto this one. I'm going to change the steering wheel because it's too small. I'm going to put the Yellow Jacket go-kart on there. Now this, luckily I built the orange Yellow Jacket with a swing arm from a Yerf dog. So basically all I did was just unbolt it and it come right out. Engine, rear end and all. Now on the Eliminator, I went ahead and cut all the pipes and left this one right here. Put my 2 bolts in here, long bolts, welded those in. I had to eliminate the third one that was here because it kept hitting. And then, as you can see, the bar that went across here was hitting the engine. So I took parts and built me an extra arm on it so to stabilize the frame, welded all that in. And then I took some more and built me a shock tower going all the way across here so I could put my shocks back on, and they do work. Other than hooking up the wiring, the gas pedal, and the brake, this little engine right here has got a lot of power. This is the one I built in some previous videos that I had. Alright, this is go-karts, motorcycles, etc. Everybody wear their mask, stay healthy, avoid the COVID. And this video goes out to my son, Robert Jehue Adkins. Your daddy's waiting on you in here in Tennessee to come back from Ohio. And I love you very much. And don't ever forget that. And as you can see, I've done got all my shop put together. Got my Titan welder. Built me a table. Got my toolbox on it. Got my hangers up. Bought me a rack. Put all my stuff on. But I know I look a little thin. I've been going through some tough times. I'd rather not talk about it. But for all you fans out there, keep subscribing, like my videos, and I'll see you later. Go-karts, motorcycles, etc. Out.